How to do text reveal effect with line. Start by clicking on New button at the bottom of Project panel and select Color Matte. Choose a color and a name and click OK. Now drag the color matte into Timeline to create a sequence from it. Then use the Type tool and enter a text. With the Selection tool, drag the text to where you want. Now click anywhere empty in your timeline to deselect everything. Now use the Pen tool and click at top and left corner of the text, then hold down the Shift key and click again at top right corner of the text to create a straight line. Then go to Effect Controls and expand the shape, and uncheck the Fill property and check the stroke and set the width of stroke to 20. Now go to Effects panel and search for Crop. Drag and drop crop effect into your text, which is in the middle track. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls and under Crop first, click on the crop to see the handles and preview window, then increase bottom value until you can't see the text. Now click on Stopwatch next to bottom to create a starting keyframe. Then move the playhead a little forward, and click on the crop to see the handles and preview, and drag the bottom handle until you see the text. This will create the second keyframe. Now our text transition is OK, and it's time to create transition for the line. Click on this triangle to go to the first keyframe. Then select the line in Timeline and in Effect Controls click on the stopwatch next to Position to create a starting keyframe. Select the text, go to Next keyframe and select the line again. Now increase Position's second value until the line is under the text, and this will create the second keyframe. Now our effect is completed. It is OK for me, but if the line or text is not appearing correctly, just move the keyframes closer or far from each other to change the speed of transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.